Godzilla Island friends. Godzilla party is canceled in Roblox. Sorry. All right. Let's get into the big deal. Godzilla Island friends. So how's your day, Brian? Not much. How's yours? Great. I still have a little crush on Mothra. Obviously you do. Yeah. Yeah. You want to do a rap? Nah, thanks. Come on. No. Okay, fine. Yeah, earlier this day I heard Shin Godzilla's tail talk. Shin Godzilla's tail talks. I might be hearing stuff. No, seriously, he told me that his tail talks. Okay, then, looks like I believe you. Yeah. What's going on with you? What's going on with you? I'm good. My other foot is losing balance. It's because it's so loose. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Yeah. Let's still talk. Alright. Are you good? You want to still talk? Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh my god. Oh man, my wings are tired. Okay. Here he is. Okay, let's ask him out for a date. Hope Megalon doesn't notice. Okay, hi Godzilla. Huh? Oh, hey Mothra. Hey Godzilla. Please don't tell anybody this. Why? Because Ryan's right here listening. Can you tell him to go away? Yeah, sure thing. Ready? Can you go away? Why? I don't know. Mothra wants to tell me something. It's a secret. Dude, it might be she wants to ask you out for a date. Okay, okay, just go. Alright, I'll go. Okay, so what is it, Mothra? I was just thinking we could go out a date. What, you don't want to? I do, there is no way that she wants to date him. We've been only dating for a week. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill him. Huh? Uh-oh. You took her away from me. Uh-oh. Hey. Skip this. Alright. Okay. Alright, thanks for skipping this, creator. No problem. Alright. You took her away from me. What? What? She was the one who asked me out for a date. Wait. We were only dating for a week and now you want to break up? Well, yeah, he looks cool. Ugh. I'm gonna destroy you. I'm gonna destroy you. No. Mothra. No. Saw you. Huh? What happened? Mothra. What did you do to her? I'm out. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, Mothra, are you okay? Mothra, please don't die. You don't die on me. I'm alright. Oh gosh, I have a scar on my wings. Need help getting home? Yeah. Maybe you can go to my place, alright? Maybe I might have bandages there. Thanks, Godzilla. Get on my back. Alright. Thanks, Godzilla. No problem, Mothra. Does it feel a little better? Yeah, it feels a little better. Thanks. No problem, Mothra. Since me and Megalon broke up, don't you mind I can stay at your place? Yeah, I think so, but I only have one bed. Me and my dad sleep in the same one. That's weird. Yeah, I know, right? Alright. Maybe you can sleep. Maybe you can stay here for a while. Okay. I love you, Godzilla. Oh, yeah, guys. Maybe this could be an end of this episode. Hope you enjoyed this video of Godzilla's Crush, episode 2. Bye.